Recommending the people who typically wear contact lenses to avoid wearing their contact lenses.
During this outbreak, you may be better off ditching your contacts for a pair of eyeglasses.
Wearing contact lenses may not be the best option during the coronavirus pandemic. The American Academy of Ophthalmology is suggesting contact lens users switch to glasses.
Well, we looked at the evidence that's available, and we've got good news for contact lens wearers. There is no scientific evidence that at the time of the pandemic that spectacles are any safer to wear than contact lenses. So contact lenses are perfectly safe to continue wearing during the pandemic.
You can keep wearing your contacts. There's no scientific evidence that wearing contact lenses increases your risk for developing COVID-19.
All our experts agree. There's just no evidence out there showing that wearing contacts rather than glasses puts you at a greater risk.
I mean, you're really bringing some light onto this here.
Wearing contact lenses does not increase your risk of contracting COVID-19.
But what does the coronavirus mean for those who correct their vision with contact lenses?
We've got no scientific evidence that you should be worried about wearing your contact lenses at this time of the COVID-19 infection.